Linear graph. Linear means straight, and a graph is a diagram which shows a connection or relation between two or more quantities. The linear graph is just a straight line graph. Equation of a straight line is y equals mx plus c, where m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept of the graph. To find equation of a straight line, work out the gradient m if not given in the question. Take any point from the line or use any one from the question if given. Put these values in y equals mx plus c to get value of c. Now use value of m and c to represent the equation of the line. Worked example. A line joins A to B. Point A is 1, 3 and B is 5, 8. Find the equation of the line AB. Give your answer in the form y equals mx plus c. Work out the gradient by using m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. M is equal to 8 minus 3 over 5 minus 1. M equals 5 over 4. Substitute the gradient and coordinates of one of the given 2 points and solve for c. So 3 equals 5 over 4 times 1 plus c. So 3 minus 5 over 4 is equal to c. C is equal to 7 over 4. Now substitute the value of gradient and y-intercept into the equation. Y is equal to 5 over 4x plus 7 over 4. To draw a linear graph, rearrange the equation in the form y is equal to mx plus c if it's not. Plot the point C on the y-axis. Go 1 across M up and plot the point. Join these 2 points by a straight line. Examination tips. It could be easier to just plot any 2 points on the line. A third as a tick is not a bad idea either, or use your calculator's table function. Worked example is, on the axis below, draw the graph of 3x plus 5y is equal to 15. Rearrange the equation in the form y is equal to mx plus c. 5y is equal to minus 3x plus 15. So y equals minus 3 over 5x plus 15 over 5. It will be minus 3 over 5x plus 3. And on the graph, this equation, and on the graph, this line is this one. Its gradient is negative 3 over 5. Y-intercept is 3. So 3 is here. Now gradient is negative 3 over 5. So for every 3 units down, 5 units across. So the next point will be this one. Now join these 2 points to get the required line on the graph. Gradient is negative 3 over 5 and y-intercept is 3. Plot 3 on the y-axis and for every 5 across move 3 units down and plot a point. Parallel lines. Two lines are said to be parallel if they have the same gradient. Parallel lines never intersect. Parallel lines are always same distance apart. As parallel lines have the same gradient, a line in the form y equals mx plus c will be parallel to y equals mx plus d, where m is the same for both lines and c is not equal to d. To find the equation of a line parallel to another line, use gradient of the given line and put the coordinates of the given point to find the y-intercept. Worked example. Find the equation of the line that is parallel to y is equal to 5x plus 11 and passes through 0, 3. As parallel lines have same gradient, so this line will be in the form y is equal to 5x plus d. Substitute 0, 3 in the equation and solve for d. So 3 is equal to 5 into 0 plus d. So d is equal to 3. Put d is equal to 3 in the equation. So y equals 5x plus 3. Perpendicular lines. Two lines are said to be perpendicular if they intersect each other at the right angle. Gradients m1 and m2 are perpendicular if m1 times m2 is equal to negative 1. To find perpendicular gradient, use m1 is equal to minus 1 over m2 called negative reciprocal. Examination tip is practice identifying parallel and perpendicular lines in diagrams, especially those that are not clearly labeled. Worked example for perpendicular lines. Find the equation of the straight line that is perpendicular to the line y is equal to 1 over 2x plus 1 and passes through the point 1, 3. Gradient of the line perpendicular to given equation is m is equal to negative 1 over 2 is equal to negative 2. Substitute m equals negative 2 and the point 1, 3 in the equation and solve for d. So 3 equals negative 2 times 1 plus d. 3 plus 2 equals d. d is equal to 5. Put m is equal to negative 2 and d is equal to 5 in the equation. Y is equal to negative 2x plus 5. So this equation is perpendicular to the given equation. Test yourself. Question number 1 is, the coordinates of P are negative 3 and 8 and the coordinates of Q are 9 and negative 2. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of PQ. It's a 4-mark question. Find the equation of the line parallel to PQ that passes through the point 6 and negative 1. It's a 3-mark question. Now question number 2. A straight line joins the points A is negative 2 and negative 3 and C is 1, 9. Find the equation of the line AC in the form y is equal to mx plus c. It's a 3-mark question. ABCD is a kite where AC is the longer diagonal of the kite. B is the point 3.5 and 2. Find the equation of the line BD in the form y equals mx plus c. It's a 3-mark question. The diagonal AC and BD intersect at negative 0.5 and 3. Work out the coordinates of D. It's a 3-mark question. Question number 3. The equation of line L is 3x minus 8y plus 20 is equal to 0. Find the gradient of line L. It's a 2-mark question. Find the coordinates of the point where line L cuts the y-axis. It's a 1-mark question. Question number 4. Write down the equation of the line parallel to line L that passes through the point B. A line L is given and 2 points are given. This is point A and it's a point B. And we have to write an equation of the line which is parallel to line L and it passes through the point B. It's a 2-mark question. Question number 5 is, the equation of a straight line is 2y equals 3x plus 4. Find the gradient of this line. It's a 1-mark question. Find the coordinates of the point where the line crosses the y-axis. It's a 1-mark question.